Each year, Tucson Electric Power recognizes businesses and organizations who are doing meaningful work to protect our environment and our community. This morning, we're meeting some leaders from Pima County to recognize our county government as Trailblazing partner in recognition of the differences they are making in so many areas.
I think that making our community aware, as well as our workforce, is going to be critical in adapting to the changes that are coming. You know, we have to learn how to deal with this and reduce our emissions at the same time.
We keep reading about how important climate change is these days, and we have seen the effects of that around the world. So the work that we do to reduce emissions, including greenhouse gas emissions, will really help as far as climate protection, and we all need to do as much as possible.
Just as one example, we're out here at the Pima County Courthouse. Even though it's almost 100 years old, it's not only been repurposed for new, updated uses, but it's also one of the most energy and water efficient buildings in the county. With new energy efficient lighting, windows, HVAC systems, low flow toilets, and more. Just below us is public parking for the government complex. So it's a good opportunity to highlight the real success story of the county's fleet services. To support its commitment to transition its entire fleet to electric vehicles, the county has installed charging ports, including chargers at the health department and the public services garage.
To date, we have replaced 97 internal combustion engine vehicles with 97 electric vehicles. Another area of focus is vehicle idling. It's important that we monitor and report vehicle idling to change driving behavior. 10 minutes of idling can produce 1 pound of carbon dioxide.
It's no exaggeration to say that Pima County strives to integrate sustainability into all facets of its operations with an eye toward 3 goals: enhance the environment, strengthen the economy, and improve the quality of life for our citizens.